The Dow drops more than 600 points. Let's have a look. Hello everyone, Florian Heiser here and welcome to another episode of Heiser Says US. Grab your stein of coffee and let's have a look at this article from CNBC. The Dow drops more than 600 points for its worst day since October, and the S&P 500 goes into the red for the year. So let's jump over here and we can see, boom, the Dow is definitely down to 30,199. The S&P is also down to 3729, and the Nasdaq is at 13,013 as we're recording this. People taking profit? So, US stocks fell sharply on Wednesday amid disappointing earnings, while concern about heightened speculative trading activity deepened. The Dow Jones Industry Average lost 633.87 points, or 2.1%, to 30,303 for its worst day since October 28. The S&P 500 dropped 2.6% to 3,750, slipping from a record high and suffering its biggest drop in 3 months. Wednesday's steep losses wiped out the 2021 gains for the S&P 500, and it's now down 0.1% on the year. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite slid 2.6% to 13,270. Boeing fell nearly 4% after its earnings report showed its 2020 net loss hit a record of $11.7 billion amid the 737 MAX grounding and the coronavirus pandemic. Shares of AMD tumbled more than 6% even after the chipmaker posted revenue and earnings which beat Wall Street's already high expectations. But it was intensifying speculative behavior among retail investors that was causing the most concern. Heavily shorted names, including GameStop and AMC Entertainment, continued to be pushed higher by amateur day traders in online chat rooms. Some investors are worried about mounting losses by hedge funds spilling over into other areas of the market as those funds sell other securities to raise cash. Investors are also concerned the speculative behavior is a sign the market is overvalued and a pullback is near. We've run up so much that this is healthy profit taking, said John Davey, founder and CIO of Astoria Portfolio Advisors. There's been a tremendous market melt-up in the past 2 months. Where the market goes up parabolically, you will see speculative behavior from a lot of investors. GameStop shares exploded again, more than doubling on Wednesday. CNBC learned Melvin Capital, the hedge fund targeted by retail investor crowd on Reddit, had sold out of its short position. More hedge funds were facing big losses because of their losing short positions. And Wall Street Bets has now been privatized. You need to be invited to get into the forum, which is a shame because it really is one of the most entertaining, well, really the only entertaining thing on Reddit, I would argue. Lots of great YouTubers that just do videos about Wall Street Bets, crazy FOMO trades. It's insane. And they're hearing stories about people who are so desperate for money, they're chucking whatever they can. They're using like Robinhood instant $1,000 to get out of strife, and they're using GameStop to do it. It's just nuts. So what do you think? The Antifa crowd, they'll smash up small business. The Wall Street Bets Redditors, they smash up the hedge funds. Who's really hurting the establishment? There's something to consider. So market participants have watched the GME phenomena with curiosity and amusement, but the days-long surge in it is eroding market confidence and creating some position-driven dislocation, said Adam Crisafulli, founder of Vital Knowledge, said in a note. AMC soared more than 300% Wednesday, more than 1 billion AMC shares traded in the name during this session. TD Army Trade midday Wednesday said it put in place restrictions on certain transactions involving GameStop and AMC in the interest of mitigating risk for our company and clients. Stocks fell as a surge in heavily shorted stocks like GME and others is creating substantial margin calls for funds short these positions, said fund strats Tom Lee in an email. This forced selling by hedge funds is causing a bit of turmoil in the markets and likely leading all active managers to get into a risk-off mode, Lee said. A margin call is when a broker mandates an investor hold more cash to cover losses. But the strategist added that the sell-off Wednesday was temporary and stocks would resume their upward swing. The Kobe Volatility Index, known as the VIX, on Wall Street's Wall Street's fear gauge, jumped above 30 on Wednesday, hitting its highest level since November. The Big Short investor Michael Burry said in a now deleted tweet Tuesday that trading in GameStop is unnatural, insane, and dangerous, and there should be legal and regulatory repercussions. The February Reserve failed to stem the market sell-off, even as it said it would keep interest rates unchanged near zero, while maintaining an asset purchasing program of at least $120 billion buying a month. Microsoft gained 0.3% after reporting a stellar quarter. Sales grew by 17% on a year-over-year basis in its fiscal second quarter, while its cloud business accelerated. And another thing with all this GameStop stuff, there are accusations that the hedge funds were naked shorting more shares than actually existed, which you technically can't do and is illegal. So there you go. We'll have to see what happens, and if this Reddit forum is going to have widespread impacts on the market. What do you think? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you're a fan and enjoy the content I couple together here, there are a few ways you can support us. You can join the channel on YouTube or Patreon. You can buy our merch from Heiser Says or Teespring. You can use our affiliate links you'll find down below in the comments from Amazon, eBay, Independent Reserve, or Aussie Broadband. You can buy our merch from Heiser Said. I've already said that. You can use PayPal or Gold Pass. Take care, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.